Hello, guys, and welcome to our channel. Today, we are talking about Google Digital Marketing course. Google is offering digital marketing online free course with certification, as you see here. But why we are talking about this right now? Because a lot of us are stuck at home with COVID-19 and everything is going around the world. So this is the time that if you are a beginner in digital marketing, if you own a business and you want to um, start digital marketing your business, if you're always hiring someone to do the digital marketing for you and you have no idea what to do, or you have no idea what is digital marketing, this course for you. In this course that Google's offering, it has 26 modules, 40 hours for beginner, and it's for free with certification. You will gain information, knowledge, and also skills. So, why not? So, how it works? First, you have to complete all 26 modules, and then the final exam that has 40 questions, and then you can share your certificate with us. So, here is the description of each modules with lessons and the time frame. And here is the skills you will learn: analytics and data insight, business strategy, marketing, advertising, e-commerce, email marketing, local marketing, using mobile, search engine marketing and search engine optimization, social media, etc. So, how to start the course? It's easy. Start the course. They are giving me this error because I already signed for the course, and soon I will share my certificate with you guys. So let's do this. Here we are. So this is the page that you will get, and you have to write your name, right? Because this is the name that will appear on your official digital garage certificate. So start here by writing your name, and then would you like to receive email with this tip? Yes, why not? If you want, you can do this. If you don't want, you can say no, thank you. If you want to receive an email from Google, it's up to you. If not, you can just click here to sign. So I will write down my name, write this time, and from here, and select no, thank you, yes, and complete. Sorry for the delay. Yes, here we are. So let's start the course. Here is Here's the course, and you see the modules, and here's the progress, and this is the first lesson, the online opportunity. So if you want more online courses, you can check here. You will find, welcome to your new digital garage. Thank you. I'm ready. Yeah. So you will find a lot of courses. You can check here if you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And then if you want free certificate or paid. And here's the list of the course provider. That's it. Thank you guys for watching this. So please comment and subscribe. If you like it, please let me know. If you start the course, please write down in the comments that you started the course, and As soon as I finish the course, I will put my certificate for you. Thank you and see you soon.